Today we're going to the beach.
Okay.
I did it! We find things to make our own sea creature.
I think there's not up here.
I think Maggie loves the beach. So does Monk's sister.
Shall we give it some eyes, maybe?
We're making starfish.
Like a moustache. Make
A sea monster.
like a moustache.
I'm going to stash.
That looks great.
My mum's has too. It's look great. This is my creature. Like a creature. What a great day.